Welcome back, everyone. Um, yeah, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the last episode. And we are back with Ratchet and Clank. Again, this is recorded right after because I'm in love with the game. And, yeah, I just want to have some fun, play this game, and, later on maybe stream.
Have any of you seen a little gray robot anywhere? Green eyes, red antenna, very charming.
Very charming. He is, though. So yeah, like, just look at this game. Just look at the robots. There's even small indents and the screen. You can see all the what's it called, LEDs and stuff like that. Like, even the bulbs on their head, they're not just a solid color, or look like they are solid color and then shining. They actually look like there is a light inside that doesn't illuminate the glass 100%, like a real light bulb would with thick glass. And normally light bulbs like that with thick glass would look like, or would look similar to that. You can also see on the smaller robot, it's still guarded, but not as much. Interesting. Always interesting to see what's in the back alleys and stuff. Yeah, also the metal here. Like, there's scuff marks, there are indents, there are... Like, it doesn't look clean, as it shouldn't, because it's in a fucking back alley. And even the hologram, it's not just like a solid color. Again, it's transparent and shit.
Please let there be good news behind here.
Nope, let's do this.
Welcome to the nefarious city bazaar. Please remember to thank our marvelous emperor before, during, and after making your purchase.
Emperor? Does that mean there are two Nefariouses now? Clank first, Nefarious later. Maybe he's in this bazaar.
Okay, we got this. Who are you? I was kind of thinking, because of the shape of it, it looks like a, it kind of looks like a trash can, so I thought it was a shop. Ooh. Oh, I still got hovershoes, nice. Let's see if I can do this. No! No, let's try again. No, wrong place. Up here. Let's go. Okay, so I don't have that ability. That's good to know. Hmm. Okay, we got this. We got this. We got this.
Hey, Lomax!
You think those purple rifts are a resistance plot? I hope the Emperor will keep us safe.
We got this. We better. So yeah. But I'm sorry for getting a bit quiet. Oh, she's still here. Hell yeah.
Come right in. Miss Zircon will sell you weapons, but you gotta be less conspicuous, or the resistance will not last.
The resistance?
Oh, apologies, sugar. Miss Zircon is still new to all of this espionage.
Clank! No. I need to go after that ship. How can I get off planet?
This a test. Only royal starships are allowed to leave. Anything else? No. Phantom can help. Just follow the beat to Club Nefarious and you will find him.
Club Nefarious, got it. Oh, and nice work, Secret Agent Zircon.
This is so exciting.
Exciting.
What's Club Nefarious gonna sound like?
What can I buy anything from you? I got money.
Look at Ms.
Yeah, I can buy from you.
The party to every fight.
Ooh,
Mr. Fun
2
Guy
new
is the
weapons.
weapon for
Oh,
you.
this one is locked. A beam that goes in forever. Goes on forever. Is a thing of beauty. Okay, so what are you?
Buy it while you can, sweet
The only weapon who has destroyed Little Zircon's enemies and performed at his last birthday party.
Oh, it's a minion.
Fun Guy. Just throw him out and he will strike your enemies so hard they will have to deal with his antics. Which
Do we want to?
That one
Coming
is
soon.
coming real soon, hun.
I don't know if I want it. Do I? I mean, a minion would be nice, but it's also just like, fine. I'm
You
taking
are
it.
really gonna be the life of the party now.
Fine, I'm taking it. I guess I don't really have a choice.
Shoplifting is not permitted. Perpetrators will be sent to Zordu prison for immediate rehabilitation.
So what's behind here? That must be something behind here. Like, look at it. It looks like a place that should be something, but no. Fuck me.
Are you sure your card is full?
That sounds like a club, all right.
Oh.
The Emperor wants you to know that he sees you. Always. Also, attempts to make sense.
But yeah. The game, I also just like the shoes. It's not just, again, it's not just it's just all the small details to how the flame looks, that it's not just fire coming out of my shoes, but it's actually energy and stuff, which really visually pleasing to me. Also, if you look underneath the robots, every single one have more or less the same like propeller. So that shows every single robot have more or less the same thing, just different stylized. Which again is visually pleasing because it gives like a for me personally, I think it gives like a visual of it to be one thing, like one connected world.
Can't believe first mission in forever, my cover's blown.
Phantom is Skid?